Makiria ma ciana 120 ni magunikite na uteithio wa irio, uniform cia thukuru, fithi ya kuriha aria maingirite thukuru hamwe na indo ingi nyingi. Mucii uyu wa ciana cia Ndigwa wa Victor's Homestead wambiriirio ni Martin Miriti kuria onire ni wega guteithiriria ciana ici kuona igitangika ni kwaga wa guikara thutha wa aciari ao gukua kuumana na murimu wa mukingo.
On Monday wale watoto wako shule tutaandika bankers check, kila mtoto atapata yake kulingana na ile shule yako.
I don't want to ignore our doctors, our medics. Tunasema ni asanti. Hao ndio wameweza kuleta wengine on board. Na kwa mchango wao pia kama professionals. Wamesema watajitoa bila malipo. Kuleta dawa.
Miriti ni yoreti andu a wendi mwega guthii na mbere na kwiyumiria ni amu ciana ici ciena mabataro maingi ma mwanya kuona amwe ao ni magomeirwo ni murimu wa mukingo na ni marabatara urigitani mwega na mubashirire niguo kugia na ugima mwega wa mwiri.
Rescuing these children, they were so much and severely malnourished. Some of them were heavily ingested by jiggers. They had developed a condition like gangrene due to jiggers infestation. And taking these kids, they needed a special attention and treatment. So we tried our level best to fight this jiggers infestation.
Oho ni ugite ciana ici ciena iheo ngurani kuri irabatara guteithiririo niguo kuonjorithia taranda ciao. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni wa Ng'ang'a.